video, we are going to discuss about one more problem on superposition theorem. So what they have asked is they are given a circuit. So there is a circuit. So they asked what is the current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor. Okay. You have to find it using superposition theorem. So before applying the superposition theorem, we will read out the circuit. Okay. So I can read out of the circuit like this. This 4, that is this point, this 3 negative of the 10 and 2 ohm resistance and 4 and this 2 is connected to this point, right? After that you have this 20 volt. Okay, so I can since the 4 and 2 are in parallel, I can write this is 4 into 2 divided by 6, right? 8 by 6. What is 8 by 6? 4 by 3. That is 1.33. Okay, 1.33 ohm. So I can read out the circuit like this. So this 4 and 2 is get replaced by, so this is my original circuit. I need to find the current at this point. Okay, so for that one, to apply the superposition theorem, let me consider only one source at a time. That is at connecting only 10 volt source and 20 volt as 0. Okay, so if I connect only 10 volt source, okay, and this 20 volt is short circuit. So you can see these two are in parallel, so series. So therefore you will get this is 4.33. Okay, so now this 2 and 4.33 are in parallel, right? So if 2 and 4.33 is in parallel, means you have to multiply 4.33 with 2 and it has to be divided with by 6.33. We will get the answer as 1.36. So this 1.36 must be added with 5 volt, 5 ohm resistance, right? So if it is added with 5 ohm resistance means, so now if I want to find the current is equal to 10 divided by 6.36, right? So what is 10 divided by 6.36? It is equal to 1.57. So that is the current that is flowing here. That is 1.57. So if I want to find the current at this point, IA, so I need to find total current into opposite distances 4.33 into divide by 6.33. Okay. So the answer is 1.075 amps. Okay. So similarly, this is for 10 volt I have connected. So next I need to find it for I have to short this 10 volt and I have to connect only 20 volt. So if I see 5 and 2 are in parallel, so what is 10 divided by 7 is 1.4, 1.42, 3 and 1.33. So from this I can find the value of current, right? So what is the current? Current is nothing but, so I can find I is equal to 20 divided by 5.75. Okay, so 20 divided by 5.75. Answer is 3.47. Okay, so I can write, if I want to find the current at this point, IA, IB, so I can write IB is equal to 3.47 into 5 divided by 7. So answer is 2.48. So what is I? I is equal to IA plus IB. So this is 2.48 plus 1.073. So if I add, I will get answer as 3.55. Okay, this is my current. So I am going to verify this current using the mesh analysis. So this is 10, 5, 3, 2, 1.33 and 20. So this is I1 and this is I2. Alright. So applying mesh for mesh 1, that is up this direction. So 7I1 minus 2I2 is equal to 10, right? So total resistance is 7. So 7I1. So 2 is between I1 and I2. So it is when both are in opposite direction. The current is flowing in this direction like this, right? And here the current is moving in this direction, I2. So you can see both are in opposite direction. So this is my first equation for mesh 2. So net for mesh 2, it is 6.33. So 6.33 I2 minus 2 I1, that is equal to 20. So this is my second equation. So total resistance is 5 with 6.33. And here also I2 is in opposite direction of I1. So if this is so if you see, you have to, if this is I2 you have to calculate, take it as minus. Okay, so for 20 it is in the opposite direction. It has to move in this direction only. But here I2 itself, it is opposite. So if I take I2 as minus, you have to take I1 as plus. Okay. So let me find the determinant. What is the determinant? Determinant value is 7 minus 2 and 2 and minus 6.3. Okay. That is 7 minus 2, 2 minus 6.3, right? Into I1, I2, that is equal to 10 and 20. So 7 into I1 minus 2 into I2, that is equal to 10. 2 into I1 minus 6.33 into I2 is equal to 20. So this is my determinant. And if I want to find the value of del 1, that is nothing but, so I have to replace 7 and 2 with 10 and 20. Okay. So what is the value of del is 40.31, that is minus 40.31. And del 1 is minus 23.3. And del 2 is 7, 2, you have to replace it by 10 and 20. So you know the formula, right? 7 into 20 minus 10 into 2. So answer is 120. Okay. So if I want to find the value of I1, what is I1? Del 1 by del. And I2 is del 2 by del. So 40.31 divide by, 23.3 divided by 40.31. So answer is I1 is 0.578. And what is del 2? 120 divided by minus 40.31. That is minus 2.97. So what is my I? I is equal to I1 minus I2, right? So 0.578 plus 2.97, that is equal to 3.5. So I have verified the answer, right? So why I am writing I is equal to I1 minus I2 is, so in this diagram you can see this is, if I consider this is I1 and this is I2, this must be I1 minus I2.